Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. Today we're making a Chipotle sauce. Blend 1 cup of Chipotle peppers and Adobo sauce with 4 cloves of garlic. Blend until smooth. Put the blended chipotle and garlic in a large mixing bowl. Add 1½ cup of sour cream, ½ a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix the ingredients until they are fully incorporated and your Chipotle sauce is ready to be enjoyed. You can use it as a dipping sauce on tacos, burgers, burritos, sandwiches. You can even use it as a salad dressing. I recommend storing it in a glass jar, and it will keep great in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks. I hope you all enjoy this video. If so, give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.